Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Jahnavi and you're watching Study with Jahnavi channel. In today's session, we are going to talk about 5 tips to make your children study. So before getting into the video, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon next to it so you'll get notifications. This video suggested to do by Ramaya Pila. Thanks for commenting and suggesting a topic. So if you guys want any type of topic to be explained by me, don't forget to comment. And so I will do my next videos on your comment basis. Some children are blessed with the gift of good study habits, while others hate studying. Helping a child with poor study skills benefits the parent, the teacher, and the struggling student. You can take a number of proactive steps to help your children develop better study habits and skills. Remember, discipline is important, but your child will do their best work if they are motivated by the joy of learning. Number 1. Set up a reward system. We are wired to believe that our work should be rewarded. So make studying rewarding. Make sure that you clearly explain how the system works. Then stick to that system. There are 2 ways to bribe your kids. Tell your child that if they study, they can get something. For instance, if they study for an hour today, they can get a chocolate bar or an extra 30 minutes of free time. Tell your child if they don't study, then they don't get something. For instance, if they don't study for an hour today, they don't get to catch up with their friends. Number 2. Inspire your children with goals. Studying can feel pointless and abstract for children when they don't see where it is all leading. Make sure that they understand where studying can take them. Talk to them about how studying can improve their grades, which will in turn increase the amount of colleges they can go to, which can empower them to do anything they might want to do in the future. Number 3. Enroll your child for subjects that they are interested. If your daughter hates doing her English homework, but spends hours working on science experiments, consider enrolling her in a science camp or a STEM youth program. If your son doesn't like to study for his tests, but jumps at the chance to practice playing music, encourage his musical development by enrolling him in a youth orchestra or hiring a music tutor. If you make it clear that your child must maintain some level of engagement in the boring classes to keep clearing about what they love, you may be able to teach a sort of working discipline by getting your kid excited to learn. Number 4. Teach your children to learn, not just to study. Encourage them to learn new things every day, even if they are small things. All the studying in the world will be empty rigor if your child doesn't understand what it means to learn. Show your child the joy of learning, and you may not need to make them study. Take your child to public spaces that will stimulate their mind. Take them to an air and space museum, a natural history museum, or an art museum. Take them to the library, to the zoo, or to a play. Take them somewhere that they will still be talking about in a week. Find interactive ways of your child to learn at home. Show them documentaries, give them educational games or give them books, ask them questions and teach them to question the world around them. Number 5. Find fun ways to study. Use flashcards, a personalized study guide or sticky notes around your child's room. You can even encourage your kid to study with friends over email. Think out of the box. Perhaps the material isn't the reason that your child doesn't like to do study. Isn't it the reason? Yes, it's the way that the material is laid out, so that kids mostly don't prefer to study materials. Try different methods and tweak your child's study system until it works. If your child wants to study in a particular way to make it fun, then do just that. If they don't mind or they simply don't want to study, it is still good to suggest ideas that might catch their attention. And that's it for this session. I'll be catching you up with another session on kids. So thanks for watching this video. If you're still new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon next to it, and so you'll get my post notifications.